Hello everybody and welcome to another tutorial video of Cloudify application, and in today's video we are going to be learning about a new section called Enquiry. Now before going into the interface, let me just explain to you all what this section is about. Let us assume that a new parent came into your college or your institute and they are willing to take the admission. They do the inquiry and now you want to store the information of the student that might be coming into your institute. This is the section where you store in the information of a student who are willing to join or take admission in your institute. So here's how you're going to store the information. Click on new. As you can see, there are some mandatory things that you need to fill in, like student's name, mother's name, mobile number, admission class, and father's name. Student's name, let us just assume it's XYZ. Father's name XYZ1, mother's name XYZ2, mobile number we'll just put in 110 times. Now after putting in the mobile number, select the admission class. Let us assume that the kid that we have done the inquiry of is going to take admission in the 6th standard. Click on class 6. And these are the mandatory things that we need to fill. You can also fill the current school, the school in which the student is studying right now, Aadhaar number and all if you want to store that information. And let's click on save. So now this is how you store in the information of a student that you have done the inquiry on. Now let's talk about the interface. You can filter out the information by number of rows, by selecting the class, selecting the from date and to date. And you can specially search for the student that you want to search on this search bar. Now if you want to see 25 rows, click on 25 rows, load it, and there you have it. You have the information of 25 students. If you want to search the student by class, let's say a class 6, we have made an inquiry for a class 6 student, click on load, and there you have it. If you want to specially search for the student, like name XYZ, type in over here, click on load, and there you have it. And if you want to edit the record, just click on this icon, and then let's say if you want to change the mobile number, if you want to add the current school, edit the current school name, you can edit it over here and click on save. It is that simple. And you can also filter out your search by changing the from date and to date. If you want to be more specific, you can just click on load and you'll get the information. So these are the few ways to filter out the information. And now let's say if you want to send an SMS to all the people that you have done the inquiry on. So if you want to send SMS to all the students, just click on this. You want to select all pages. If you want to select every student that you've done the inquiry on, click OK, and then click on bulk SMS. If you've already made a template, you can just select the template. If you want to watch a video on how to make the template, you can watch it. Link is in the description. But let's just pick text message for now, and type of message, it's an SMS, and message will just whatever the message that you're going to send to the students or the parents, you can just type it over here. And if you click on send SMS, the SMS is going to be sent on the mobile numbers of all these students. You see at the bottom, it is written as 100 out of 160 characters. What this means is if your SMS got less than 160 characters, it is going to be charging you the amount of one SMS. Whereas if your SMS exceeds 160 characters, it is going to charge you the amount of 2 SMSs. So keep that in mind. And now let's talk about downloading this information or storing this information. Let's say if you want this information in terms of PDF, all you have to do is just print the PDF, and there you have it. You got the information, you can download it, or you can take a print if you want. You can also store this information in an Excel sheet by just clicking on this Excel icon, and there you have it. You have the Excel sheet downloaded. So I guess this is it for this inquiry section. I hope you all have understood the video. And if there are some questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. More videos, more tutorial videos are coming soon about all the other sections. And thanks for watching.